Hi there, welcome everybody. Got a Uniden PC-68 LTW today. It's a tune-up report. This is for Mike in Alabama. And Mike asked me to put Talkback on this switch, Echo over here. He wanted me to put a MOSFET in here and give it a tune-up, but it already had a MOSFET, but it didn't need a lot of retuning to get the same output we get from a lot of others. Alright, why don't we take a look inside, see what I did, and then we'll come back and finish this up. So here we are. We put in the TRB X3 Echo board. That's right here. I know it was just last week I told you guys to try to keep the wires short. Put it over here if you can, but you see it's all consumed by this weather board that they put in. So I put the control right here. He asked me to put it on the left side with a mic jack over here. And the wires go under. Now right as the audio comes in from the jack and down to its first bus, there's a little trace to the next bus, a little 3-pin and then another little 3-pin. So that little trace to the next bus, you just cut a little line there and there's your in and your out, and then the power hooks up underneath there. Alright, you also asked for Talkback on channel 9 switch right here. Okay. So you've got to disable the functions of the channel 9 switch and make those changes on the board. And then when you take over, you see what I did was I brought both wires over. Now one goes to the RX pin, which is pin 4. And then I've tried the ground pin. That created a ground loop I didn't like. So then I came down here and I used this one. No ground loop there. Everything's fine. Another unusual thing on this rig is you have to go pretty low resistance to get any decent talkback. You know, what you might use on a Cobra 29, say 50, 60, 70 ohms, this thing had to be all the way down to 16 ohms. So that's what you see there is a couple of 32 ohm resistors parallel. Okay, oh, I gotta put some heat shrink on that right there. When I get to that now, and you guys can go back to the tune-up report. So I got that heat shrink on there. Just wanted to show you this. This is where I come out right here on this one. And to get this spacing right, you see how perfectly spaced that is right there? To get that just right, I use one of these. I don't know what thickness that is. Use one of those on the shoulder of the control before it come up. Just to back it off some. And it works out nice. You could do that, or you could use another nut on the shoulder of the control. But I did that so many times I started running out of those, so washers are better for me. Okay, so let's get on with this. Mic over here. Got 10 watts dialed in across the top scale of that watt meter. Just about 5 watts right there. And on this one, 50 watt slug. We're looking in the middle here. There's 20 and there's 30. You'll be coming pretty close to that. Audio check check. Oh, we didn't get you don't get to hear it. Audio check 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 check. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Check 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 check. 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check 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 check. Audio check check. Okay, let's put it on the air.